Yeah, top of the morning, people. Once again to the Monday again,
Good morning, people. We out here again.
Yeah, man, so we beat what we last time, What are they? You say you have something up his sleeve, Where you have up your sleeve? What are they? Where's sleeve there?
That's sleeve, man. I know that's sleeve, man. With the Sue seat.
I know why you come from the boat with a destructive weapon for you,
I'm not show him it yet. So I go out there and show him.
Alright, sir. You say you have something up his sleeve, so we're going to see it go. Yes? You understand me? Alright, so we can push off the boat here and see what I got. Alright, come. Push him after now. No, hold on there. It was something underneath it there. Oh, it's going on so low. Anyway, come. It floats to the tide eye. It's kind of high to the sled off in the water. I like round a jammer all the way off here. Push and push all on about 6 different boats ever push off the boat, Watch out. Water clean and nice. Blood drinking water. Anyway, people, we pack up.
It's not rain making water look so deep.
Yeah. Anyway, people, you know the procedure already. We pack up, so we're not have to show you that again. Put on the engine and all that thing there, And when we reach up on the seawater, you see everything. Man, say about something up in his sleeve, so I want to see how.
I'm going to see right on there.
Right on it, that one there?
Yeah.
Let's go check it out then. Alright, let's see who come. Yeah. Usual procedure. Put on the engine. Be a look rainy still, but come on, I wait for you for roll on the sleeve. People, man, say you have something up the sleeve, so I want to see how I am, because I'm anxious.
I don't want to top one thing. I see water still.
Ah, till. So I'm go out to the middle here. Eh? It's a drift and come back in. I don't know where it's a drift and go. Yeah, man, stay out here to the middle. Why where you drift and go? Where you drift and go, man? Sure. Yeah, me I talk to the boat engine. People say me I talk to the fish, me I talk to the rat, me I talk to everything. Me I'm mad, but I tell the people I'm not mad, I'm not mad at all, brother. Although anything possible in these times, come on, man, what's wrong with you? You hear that? How are you going here, sir? Yo, hear me now? Oh, yeah. Hey, people, so we're on the way now, yeah? Cool morning, but rain never fall. That's why it's cool. Anyway, I took the first base here and see what I'm going now. Now waste of time on each, rain upon way. What kind of fish is on, Marco? Watch out. Blow weevils! Brother, what kind of fish is money around, sir? Wow, no man. Yo, there's something take off like bullets. Oh, as man say fish can't open, so the fish is a too. No, watch out, no man, that one a monstrous, me not tell you lie. It must be a monster, that one. Eh? What? Man say no. Man say man, him something up him sleeve, you know man. I'm tell you say.
Go up his sleeve and
Yeah, go with sleeve. Right it. Watch out the sleeve there. No? The water pressure look better than long side. Look, up here the mother there still, you know. Make us see the sleeve now. How is that? I can see you, man. Yeah, we have one like that. No, we don't have one like that. But it's a good beard still.
People see that?
Oh, that's a reaction, brother. How?
We have a boat.
Oh, on board, come here.
People see that?
Yeah, you work. That's work. That's work. That's work. That's work. That's work. Oh, it bounces off of the wave bounces off and come back to it.
Long time something more. Broad, there's no yellow pan. Jump right now, dark one. Jump right now. Jump right now.
I see how kind of fish.
Fucking snapper!
Hey ho, I saw them run for you, you know.
That kingfish though,
I said Jack would have gone. Jack never normally do that. Yeah man, a king. King Torah, see. Big.
That 20-pound king this, you know? Yeah, heads up, man.
Stuff we know that. I fret me, I fret, I know, you know.
Let's take time with it. That man will make you. Yeah, heads up. So tired of it. You put 20-pound king as this, you know? Less than that.
Come, I chew and get liquid, you know, get in mouth, you know, that's why.
Right, man, okay. Check on my bait, you know. Come on,
Try to get him on now, boy. My fight from me. My fight. Come in, boy. Big kingfish, boy. Big kingfish. Come in. Come on that side. Yeah, okay.
Massive, massive.
Big boy, big boy. Pull him.
Rusty, you know.
Taste rusty too. Have you not tasted him yet? Oh, blow weevils in big. Yo, knock out, you have to get
You
to
see
that.
that? One gap shot, I was a miss fish.
Whoa. What a big boy, man.
That's escape, you know.
Yeah, look how much. Can't see it now.
That the pound 14. No, 16 it the pound.
16 pounds, no, bigger than 16.
Bigger than that.
Hold up, here, hold. Yeah, people, me have to make help because my shoulder not good. Watch ya. Nice king this in the boy. Hold him up for me there, brother. See him there, no, brother. Me have to hold him for me because I can't too close to the camera. Yeah, that look about 20 pounds, man. Not 20 pounds that.
I use my skill and weigh.
Yeah, alright. Hold that. Put him now. Open him again. I take out most of them things. Take them out. Out everything out of it. Yeah. That's it. Tail, I got hung up.
Let me see tail, I said, no man, I drop that.
Yeah.
Big broad tail.
Alright. Oh, don't frighten me, you know? Yeah. Yeah, people, so I hit that, you know, that one. Let's see what I go on now for the rest. One giant. Eh? Kevin, if you want to go here. Ah, boy, fish are not getting no man. Boy, I tell you, you never catch a one there. Oh, where is it? I tell you, I tell you, the one is good man, the one there. Hey man, shake it man. You're not that big, you know. Shake. Shake like you want, shake off.
Like I want to cook him here.
Come on, come on, come on. Ah boy. When I reach him stage, I know man. Come on that side.
Like that come inside the mackerel.
Yes sir. Must see a better now too, right?
Every time you come and say you want.
Come on, up there. Wait.
You want to line or go and listen.
Yeah, I see that go. Come on, move, sir. Come on, team. What that's enough. No, me I'm nervous. Ah, Jesus. What a troublemaker. Eh? And you hook good to you, know? You hook good.
Slide off and start to come in.
All. Yeah, people see there, you know, troublemaker, you know. Troublemaker king has. Make a dust.
But me have a 99 today now, but.
No, well, that's all I'm saying, man. Make a do. Yeah, people. See man now, beautiful kingfish. Him, yeah, upside down king has.
Upside down king has in area.
Yeah.
You think you hold, yeah?
I'll probably drive it up on the other side. Next week, we'll come back here and we'll get another one. Yeah, we'll make something and pin it down, you know. So I say pin it down there, son. Yeah, man. So people, see that? One here say £10 and the other one say £15. So I eat that for the day, you know. Kemjay tell me this man is him have a thing up his sleeve. Now forget to the camera, look up at the camera. You say, yeah, suck up your sleeve.
Looks like you drop out, man.
Listen, I look up on the other one sleeve of the seat and I can't see it.
Looks like you drop out and sleeve and time I put on the shirt.
You say drop out. But the man saying sleeve short. Think about your sleeve short, man. I can't believe that the man's sleeve so short. So I got 2 today again.
The sleeve are gonna grow up, man. Watch this.
You say sleeve are gonna grow back. Nice.
See him there? Big boy.
Nice one.
15 pound, no point eat them. That chop up anything. That smallest teeth I got chop him up today. You know no more chop up to do.
No more chop up.
10 pound of fish was I and dead. Sure, I got 10 pound over that you
Yeah. Anyhow people, I eat that for the day, alright? I get out of here now, so we'll see you guys in the next one. We say fish on every time.
Remember, like, share, subscribe, and check out Kemjay fishing too, not just Jamaican angler. Check out 2 channels and subscribe to both.
Yeah man. Press the like button, you know, remember. It helps us to grow. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Be out of here.